Welcome back to Raching Cars, your trusted destination for the latest updates and deep dives into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive look at the modern modified 2025 Toyota Coaster Hiace, a van that has been redefined for comfort, performance, and futuristic aesthetics. The 2025 Toyota Coaster Hiace, already a trusted name in commercial and luxury transport, now enters a whole new league with cutting-edge modifications. Starting with the exterior, this beast boasts a fully redesigned aerodynamic body kit, chrome-finished grille, custom LED matrix headlights, and dynamic turn signals that not only enhance its road presence but also improve visibility and safety. The rear end has been upgraded with sleek LED tail lamps and a sporty diffuser, making it look sharp from every angle. Under the hood, this modified Coaster Hiace is powered by a refined 2.8L turbo diesel engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, tuned for smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. The suspension system has been replaced with an air suspension setup, delivering a cloud-like driving experience on even the roughest roads. Complementing the mechanical upgrades are 18-inch alloy wheels with off-road-ready tires that enhance stability and grip. Inside, the transformation is truly luxurious. The cabin now features ultra-soft leather reclining captain seats with massage and ventilation functions, ambient LED lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 15-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium surround sound system. Multiple USB-C charging ports, onboard Wi-Fi, and a mini fridge elevate passenger comfort to first-class standards. The dashboard is fully digital with customizable themes, giving the driver full control and clarity. Safety has also been upgraded with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Smart keyless entry, push start ignition, and remote engine start add further convenience. This modified 2025 Toyota Coaster Hiace is more than a van. It's a luxurious mobile lounge packed with technology and style. Whether for business, tourism, or personal luxury travel, it sets a new benchmark in its class. That's all for today's review on Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. Until next time, keep racing with style.